How to recover missing Snapchat memories. So if you want to recover or restore missing Snapchat memories, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. And from your profile, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. And under your settings, you need to just scroll down and you need to go with the memories section. So tap on memories and make sure that you've turned on your smart backup. Because if you've not turned on your backup, then you won't be able to recover or restore your missing Snap memories. So make sure that it is turned on, and after turning on, you need to go with your saved destinations. Under your saved destinations, make sure that you've selected memories in camera roll, because if you've selected memories or if you've selected camera roll, then it will be only saved in one destination. If you've selected memories in camera roll, then it will be selected on both of them, and you need to go back, and after that scroll down and go with help center. It will take you to your Snapchat help center or Snapchat support page, and from here you need to scroll down. Now you can just tap on memories if you have the memories option, or if you don't have, then you can simply search for memories. And here you need to tap on my Snapchat memories are missing, and you need to scroll down and then go with no, and here you need to go with any option that you are comfortable with and then submit. Now you can go back or go with the contact us option. You can just simply scroll down and you will find the contact us option right here. Tap on contact us and you'll be able to submit a request. So you need to go with any option, like for example I'm here with I found a bug, and select memories. After that it will take you to submit a request page. Now from here you need to just scroll down and you need to enter your username, your email address, and you need to select the file, choose the file location, enter the description, and on the description you need to write that I want to recover my missing Snapchat memories and send. After that you will be able to recover those. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.